Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says, whenever the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam would intend to undertake a journey, he would draw lots amongst his wives. Once Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha and Hazrat Hafsa's name were picked up by the lots. It was the holy practice of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam that he would undertake the journey with Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha during the night and remain engaged in discussion with Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha. Hazrat Hafsa radiyallahu anha requested, "Tonight you may mount my camel and I will mount your camel. You may keep on observing and I will keep on observing." She replied, "Okay." So she mounted my camel and the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam went towards Hazrat Aisha's camel, whereas Hazrat Hafsa radiyallahu anha was riding it. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam greeted her and then proceeded and then alighted at a place. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha did not find the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. When the people dismounted, Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha put her feet in the idkhir grass and said, "O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, depute any scorpion or a snake to me to sting, bite me, for I do not feel up to saying him any word." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5211.